Let's make the authentic Dark and Stormy from Goslings Rum. To make this drink, we're going to start by filling our glass with ice. And the official glass is a tall glass. I'm using a Collins. Now, I'm going to use Goslings Stormy ginger beer, which is the official ginger beer for this drink. I'm going to put in 6 ounces. 6 ounces is 180 milliliters. Normally this isn't something I'd measure, but I'm going to measure it for the sake of argument. I only put 5 ounces in, to be honest. I'm worried about not having enough room for the 2 ounces of Goslings Black Seal Rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. And they do ask you to float this, which means I'm going to go get a bar spoon. Bar spoon in hand, first ounce. Spill a little down the glass, not ideal. A little bit more down the glass, still not ideal. I hate wasting rum. Garnish, let's put this away. Garnish is a lime wedge or a lime wheel. I have a wedge, I'm gonna put that on the edge of the glass. It doesn't say to use a straw, but I'm gonna put a straw there. And normally I'd suggest stirring this before you drink, but I wanna take a picture with that gradient. So there you have it, the authentic Dark and Stormy from Goslings Rum. Drink with good spirits. Yeah, the bottom is just ginger beer. Stir it first.